A question for Paras. How proud is the moment for you as a captain? First of all, for those 2 catches, and then for the win.
I think we'll forget the catches. We have won the match, so we're pretty pleased. We've always been trying to, push ourselves to do better. We've been playing against Afghanistan for a very long time, and they are a very good team. We know that. So to beat them, you have to take every chance and, score the amount of runs and back it up by good bowling. So we managed to do all 3 things today. And it's like, when you do things right, and there are moments in the game. I think those key moments were the ones where, we capitalized and won those key moments. So that's how we have, managed to win the game.
Can you just get it closer to the microphone? Thank you.
For Paras, 2 wins in the maiden major tournament. So what it means to Nepal and the team for, say, next 5 years?
It means a lot. We came, like I said before the tournament, we came here to compete. We have always, as cricketers, we have always tried to win every game that we play for our country. So it'll obviously give us a great boost moving forward. I think it'll push us to do better, as well as all our youngsters and younger generation coming up and wanting to take cricket. The first time that we have qualified, we managed to win 2 games. So that in itself is an achievement that, we'll be taking back home. But then now the real journey begins. We just cannot say that we qualified for 1 World Cup and the story ends there. Now we have to do the homework, start all over again. And it's about time that, we put up the structure right back home. And if we have the structure right back home, we'll definitely, produce better results in future as well.
Paras, your coach was here a couple of days back, and he said your brand of cricket is that you fight for every ball, you don't let anything go. 140 was perhaps a few runs short, but you showed that if you do fight, you can beat better teams.
Yeah, we put everything that we had on the field. I think everybody contributed very well. The man of the match, who is here, I think he bowled exceptionally well, those last 2 overs in the middle and the first spell. So, and overall, a great team performance. Everybody contributed. Subhash Sharad batted well. Gyanendra played well. So it's like, when you have to beat a good team, you have to play good cricket all around. So that we managed to do today.
Paras, you took 2, very important catches. Was it the pressure that made you play good, or are you generally a very good
I had to
player?
take them. I had no other choice. When you are on the field, me as a batsman, I try and score runs. If I bowl, I try to take wickets, and on the field, I'll try and put my best effort. So then, thankfully, the ball came to me, and I managed to hold on to. As long as I hold on to, I'll be more than glad.
Yeah, Paras, Nepal has long been eyeing the ODI status. You think you have done enough things in this tournament to get there?
I think it's something more than me. You should ask the ICC with the globalization of the game. I really cannot comment on as to ODI status and such. Unfortunately, we had this 50-over World Cup qualifier in New Zealand where, but then we didn't do well. There were, certain things that didn't go in our favor, injuries, and, our players didn't play as up to our potential. So, we'll take it slowly. ODI status and such, of course, we want to be an ODI nation for sure. But then it's up to the ICC and the World Cricket League structure that how you, move forward. I hope, we can push ourselves, try and go out there, perform well in whatever matches that we play and see how it goes and get attention from all the right people, hopefully.
Take 2 final questions in English.
Paras, the boundaries in the last overs, what are you thinking then?
It happens. I was talking to the bowler. I was pretty close to him. Every ball I was telling him, just stay calm. 24 runs is a lot to get off the last over. But then after a couple of boundaries, maybe you never know. It's cricket. It's not over until it's over, like they say. We were trying to stay calm as possible. And by the time the second last ball, when he got the wicket, we pretty much knew that we had done it. So you have to push, especially with T20. You just never know. So you have to play till, like I said, all 40 overs that you need to play well to win a game.
Paras, you have set another new record here. After 2004 ACC Trophy playoff, Team Nepal beat for the first time for Afghanistan. So how does it feel that Team Nepal sidelined Afghanistan today?
We have come a couple of times. We have come close, to beating them. Like I said, we are on the uprise. I would say we are improving slowly but steadily. It takes time. Cricket is not a game where you just, wake up overnight and, you start beating everybody. There's a lot of skill involved. And the higher level you go, the more skillful you need to be. And we still believe we need to be more skillful. We need to work on our game, whether it's batting, bowling, or fielding. And it feels good to beat them. We've always wanted to. So, I mean, to come to a World Cup and beat them, maybe this was the grandest stage where, where we could have beaten them. We are glad that we have managed to do that. But then, like I said, this is just the beginning.
Okay, in Nepal, in the blue.
पारस यो एकदमै दुर्लभ जित हो एकदम बधाई छ त्यसको लागि तर इफ यु हेभ टु टेक इन्टु जितमा सबैले प्रशंसै गर्छन् 59 डट बल्स आउट अफ 100 एन्ड I mean 59 dot balls overall in the innings. That is a matter of concern.
Yeah. See, we have been stuck a bit. Even against the Bangladesh game, we were stuck in between. Maybe because we lose those wickets, those back-to-back wickets that our batsmen are trying to rebuild. And we have faith in our lower middle order to finish it off. But then the last two games, the finishing wasn't that great. This game, it was okay. We wouldn't say it was the best of finishes, but then we had like a couple of good overs in the end. So I would say we were at least 15 runs short for sure. We wanted around 150, something above 150 to 160 runs. But still, the way the boys showed their courage and determination on the field, I think that really helped us, to push for the win.
Paras, dressing room ko माहौल कस्तो छ? Over the moon?
हैन अब हामी जसरी अब भन्ने नि अब हो खुसी लाग्छ हामी खुसी छौं तर पनि अब विश्वास थियो हामीमा जहिले पनि हामी राम्रो गर्न सक्छौं हैन हराउन सक्छौं भनेर तर कस्तो भयो भने अब मान्छेहरुले जहिले पनि खेलको परफर्मेन्स गर्नुपर्छ के चाहिएको बेला अब मुखले मात्र राम्रो पेपरमा मात्र राम्रो भएर कहिले पनि हुँदैन हाम्रो खेलाडीहरुमा क्षमता छ राम्रो गर्न सक्ने तर पनि अब एउटा म्याच जित्यो भने धेरै एक्साइटेड हुनु पनि खासै त्यस्तो देख्दिन म हाम्रो लक्ष्य भनेको अझ ठूलो छ र अगाडि बढ्दै जाउँ अब यस्तै खालको जितले हामीले अझ प्रोत्साहन गर्नेछ राम्रो गर्नको लागि हामी हाम्रो तर्फबाट सक्दो प्रयास गर्छौं कि चाहे त्यो अफगानिस्तानसँग खेलौं या कुनै क्लब लेभल गेम खेलौं जुनै पनि म्याच खेलौं हामीले एज प्लेयर्सहरु सबै नेपालको खेलाडीहरु राम्रो प्रदर्शन गरेर आफ्नो देशले जिताउनको लागि
आजको जितको चाहिँ मुख्य आधारहरु के हुन्
सबै की मोमेन्ट्सहरु थियो जस्तो सुभाषले राम्रो खेल्यो शरदले पनि सुभाष र शरदको पार्टनरशिप एकदमै राम्रो थियो र मेनली चाहिँ के भयो भने सुरुमा इनिशियल पावर प्लेमा चाहिँ हामीले विकेट लिन सफल भयौं जुन एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो स्पेशली पावर प्लेमा विकेट लिएपछि कस्तो हुन्छ 2020 मा अलिकति टिम अलिकति ब्याकवर्ड हुन्छ अलिकति फेरि रिस्टार्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र विकेट चाहिँ मलाई लाग्छ हामी टाइम चाहिने बेला लिइराख्यौं र लास्टमा आएर जस्तो अब जितेन्द्रले जुन खालको बलिङ गरेर लास्ट 2 ओभर त्यसले पनि एकदमै भनौं न हामीलाई ठूलो हेल्प गर्यो म्याच जित्नलाई
यो भन्दा अघिल्लो म्याचमा र आजको अन्तिम 2 ओभरमा रन गर्न सकिन
लक्ष्य अब अझ राम्रो क्रिकेट खेल्दै जाने मैले भने नि अब हाम्रो कन्ट्रोलमा छैन कि हामी के स्टेटस पाउँछौं या हामी कुन डिभिजनमा छौं अहिले पनि त्यो क्लियर भइसकेको छैन हामी सबैको लागि तर पनि अब हामी हाम्रो तर्फबाट सक्दो प्रयास गर्छौं कि अब जति अपर्च्युनिटी हाम्रो हातमा आउँछ त्यसको लागि हामी भनौं न अब निरन्तर रूपमा मेहनत गर्नेछौं र यो साइकल छ यङ टिम छ हाम्रो अझ पनि केही सकिसकेको छैन मेबी अब हामीले अर्को 2 वर्ष या 3 वर्ष 4 वर्ष कुर्नुपर्छ मेहनत गर्दै जाउँ हेर्दै जाउँ आफ्नो तर्फबाट सक्दो प्रयास गर्ने हो कि हामीहरु भनौं न अब एउटा जुन ओडीआई स्टेटस छ माथिल्लो क्रिकेट खेल्ने जुन एउटा सपना छ हाम्रो र अब 2020 क्वालिफायर पनि हरेक 2 वर्षमा हुनेछ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि अब त्यो सब लक्ष्य लिएर नै हामी अगाडि बढ्नुपर्छ
यो जितेन्द्रलाई क्वेशन हो अब तपाईलाई कस्तो फिल भइराछ के भन्नु छ हैन तपाईको मनमा के कुरा भइराछ सो भन्नु सबै स्टार्ट
हैन अब अफगानिस्तानसँग जित्नु भनेको अलि जित्नु ठुलो कुरा हो किनभने धेरै दिनदेखि धेरै मतलब सालदेखि हामी हराएको थिएन अब वर्ल्ड कपमा अहिले मुख्य यस्तो स्टेजमा आएर वर्ल्ड कपमा हराउनु भनेको ठुलो कुरा हो र त्यस्तो मतलब के भन्नु खुसी लागिरहेछ कि अब वर्ल्ड कपमा हरायो
पारस दाइ मेरो प्रश्न कतिखेर चाहिँ नेपालले जित्छ अब म्याच जित्दैछ जस्तो लाग्यो हैन र जित चाहिँ तपाईहरु कसलाई समर्पण गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ
सेकेन्ड लास्ट बल अब क्रिकेटमा मैले त्यही भने जब एक बलमा 10 रन छ त्यो इम्पोसिबल तर पनि अझ पनि के थियो कि नो बल गयो भने के हुन्छ भन्ने हुन्छ नि त्यो पनि डर थियो तर अनफर्चुनेटली सोमपाल भनौं न उले पनि राम्रो बलिङ गर्यो आज र अब यो जित भनेको सम्पूर्ण हाम्रो नेपाली फ्यान्सहरुको लागि हो समर्थकहरुको लागि जहिले पनि उहाँहरुको जहिले पनि इच्छा थियो कि जहिले पनि अफगानिस्तान हराउनु पर्छ है भन्ने चाहना थियो धेरै पहिलादेखि नै र वर्ल्ड कपमा आएर हरायो तर म यही भन्छु कि अब यो एउटा सुरुवात हुनु पर्यो अब हामी एउटा नयाँ फेजमा जाँदै छौं अब जुन 2 वर्षको साइकल थियो हाम्रो यो वर्ल्ड कपसम्म क्वालिफाई गर्ने या पुग्ने त्यो सकिएको छ अब फेरि सुरुदेखि सुरुवात गर्नुपर्छ हामी सबैले र यो जितलाई यो टुर्नामेन्टको जुन सफलता हामीले जति के पोजिटिभ छ त्यसलाई लिएर इम्प्रुभ गर्ने पनि क्षेत्र के त्यो लिएर चाहिँ अगाडि बढ्छौं हामीहरु
लास्ट ओभर चोइस पारस आफै पनि एउटा अप्सन थियो हैन अनि सोमपाल थियो बट इजी चोइस थियो हैन सोमपाल आज
अभियसली म लगभग 3 महिना भइसक्यो मैले मिडियम पेस बलिङै नगरेको होइन। अब आज पनि अब भनौँ न म प्र्याक्टिसहरू पनि खासै त्यस्तो मिडियम पेस बलिङ गरेको थिएँ, तर आज कन्डिसनले गर्दा मेबी अलिकति फेभरेबल थियो, स्पिनर्सहरू राम्रो खेलिरहेको भएर गरे हो। अब म त जति सक्दो अब कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्न खोजिरहेको थिएँ आफ्नो तर्फबाट। अब खासै म भइदिए म सायद आउँथिनँ होला, सायद बसन्त नै आउँथ्यो होला, किनकि मैले खासै त्यो प्र्याक्टिसै गरेको छैन र प्र्याक्टिस नगरेको कुरा एकैचोटि म्याचमा आएर गर्दा खासै त्यति उपलब्धिपूर्ण देख्दिनँ हामीहरू म चाहिँ।
Thank you very much. Hold on, sorry.
Thank you.